Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can put an out-of-office status on Slack. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to slack.com and then log in to an existing account or sign in on a new account. You can sign in with an existing email, or if you don't have one, use Google or Apple. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the bottom left corner of the screen on your profile. And then, you can simply click here to set yourself as away, or if you want to be more specific, click on Update Your Status. Now, you can type here, out of office, or even on a vacation. And then, you can set when to remove the status. Either today, 30 minutes, or you can choose a specific date and time. Then, you can choose whether to pause notifications for everyone or for VIPs only. And once done, simply click on Save. And to check again, simply click here, and as you can see, your status is now changed. And there you have it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!